Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your mini printer to the Fun Print app. First, make sure your mini printer has sufficient battery and is turned on. Next, download the Fun Print application from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet, as this is the primary connection method for most mini printers. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once the Fun Print app is installed, open it up. You'll typically find a device or connect printer option on the main screen or in the settings menu. Tap on this, and the app will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth printers. Look for your mini printer's name in the list. It might be a model number or a generic name like mini printer. Select it, and if a pairing request appears, simply confirm it to establish the connection. With your printer successfully connected, it's time for your first print. The Fun Print app offers various templates for labels, notes, and photos, or you can design something from scratch. Before printing, take a moment to review any available settings like print density or paper size, ensuring optimal results. Once you're satisfied, simply tap the print button. Your mini printer should then spring to life, delivering your creation in just a few seconds. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your mini printer and your mobile device. Ensure your printer is within close proximity, ideally within 10 meters or about 33 feet, for a stable Bluetooth signal. Also, check for any available updates for the Fun Print app or your printer's firmware, as these often resolve bugs. For persistent problems, refer to your printer's user manual for model-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.